being written. And when I'm not running a farm up here, I work for the U.S. Antarctic program on some of the Antarctic research vessels. This last March, I had the honor of serving below deck on the Laurence Gould.
All right.
Now, the Laurence Gould is sort of the Rodney Dangerfield of Antarctic research vessels. Its nickname is also the Larry Muffin, the bath toy. It's primary. It's not the sort of thing you want to be taking from Punta Arenas, basically around Cape Horn, down across the Drake Passage, known as the worst ocean in the world, down to Palmer Station. But that was our mission. We were bringing people and winter oversupplies, and we had unpleasant weather both ways. And the Gould was not well designed. Initially, before her first refit, she would pitch 40 degrees either way. People were generally thrown as they refit her, and then she pitched about 30 degrees either way. They put sponsons on her, which people call water wings. Laurence Gould gets no respect. But there we were in the Drake Passage, rolling our way down to Palmer Station, and we got down there, and the weather forecast didn't improve, and then we rolled our way back. So I put this together. This is actually the debut of this song. It's a fairly simple one. The chorus is basically rolling down to Palmer Station, rolling down on the LNG, rolling down to Palmer Station. A sailor's life ain't the life for me. And during the verse, you'll sort of, there's also a rolling down to Palmer Station, and you'll pick it up.
Can you sing the chorus verse first?
Yeah, this is rolling down to Palmer Station, rolling down on the LNG, rolling down to Palmer Station. A sailor's life ain't a life for me. Last time I sailed the LNG, rolling down to Palmer Station. Captain said we'd have to see if we rolled the whole way home. And we're rolling down to Palmer Station, rolling down on the LNG, rolling down to Palmer Station. A sailor's life ain't a life for me. We'd hardly pulled out from the dock, rolling down to Palmer, before the ship began to rock, and we rolled the whole way home. And we're rolling down to Palmer Station, rolling down on the LNG, rolling down to Palmer Station. A sailor's life ain't a life for me. Straight through Maire into the Drake, rolling down to Palmer. The whole damn ship began to shake, and we rolled the whole way home. And we're rolling down to Palmer Station, rolling down on the LNG, rolling down to Palmer Station. A sailor's life ain't a life for me. For days we battled sleet and hail, rolling down to Palmer, and left our lunches on the rail, and we rolled the whole way home. And we're rolling down to Palmer Station, rolling down on the LNG, rolling down to Palmer Station. A sailor's life ain't a life for me. By the time we made the Palmer shore, rolling down to Palmer, I swore I'd go to sea no more, but we rolled the whole way home. And we're rolling down to Palmer Station, rolling down on the LNG, rolling down to Palmer Station. A sailor's life ain't a life for me. We're rolling down to Palmer Station, rolling down on the LNG, rolling down to Palmer Station. A sailor's